Ever wondered how owning a home could fast-track your journey to financial freedom? Imagine a world where your living expenses pay for themselves. Intrigued? This could be your reality with a nifty technique known as house hacking. Stay tuned to learn more about this ingenious method called house hacking. House hacking, quite simply, is the practice of offsetting your mortgage payments. Imagine owning a property, then renting out a portion of it. This could be a room, a floor, or even a separate unit. The rent you collect helps cover your mortgage, reducing or even eliminating your housing costs. Imagine that, living in your own home, and having someone else help pay for it. It's like having your cake and eating it too. So, how does one go about house hacking? Let's delve deeper. Step 1 in house hacking is buying a property that has potential rental income. Now, this doesn't mean you go out and buy the first duplex you see. It's about finding a property that suits your lifestyle but also has the potential to generate income. This could be a duplex, a single-family home with a basement suite, or even a large condo with a spare room. Once you've secured the property, it's time to find your tenants. You'll need to screen potential tenants carefully to ensure they'll be reliable and respectful. Use online rental platforms, word of mouth, and local advertisements to find potential renters. Now here's where the magic happens. The rent you collect from your tenants can be used to offset your mortgage payments. This means you're essentially living for free, or at a significantly reduced cost. And don't forget, as a landlord, there are tax benefits that can also contribute to your financial freedom. And that, in a nutshell, is how you can start house hacking. Now you might ask, why should I consider house hacking? Well, imagine the allure of passive income, the relief of reduced living expenses, and the thrill of accelerating your path to financial freedom. House hacking could be your ticket to financial freedom, a journey that starts right at your front door.